Salam alaikum, alaikum salam!
Hey guys! Today, I will show you the Death Hub Discord Nuke bot. First, subscribe the channel and send in screenshot to verified channel and you will get access of the Nuke bot source code. Then you can download it and run it by yourself with your own bot. Create a Discord bot from discord.com/developers/applications. Follow my steps. Reset your bot token and paste in config.txt and save it. Then double-click on start.bat to start the bot.